little Leo. You look excited. Where are you going at this night? Oh, are you going to see the fireworks festival at the stadium? That sounds spectacular. Let's go, little Leo. Oh, the line is a bit long. We have to wait, little Leo. Little Leo, you are not allowed to cut the line. Little Leo, don't do that. It will break the machine. Oh no, the machine is broken. Oh no, the festival is about to begin in a few minutes. What should we do, little Leo? You're right, little Leo. We need to call the city heroes immediately. Hi, Scott. There is an incident at the stadium. Little Leo needs help from the city heroes. The crossbar machine is broken. The waiting line is getting longer. Who can handle this situation, Scott? That's right, Scott. Thomas the yellow dump truck and Pat the black police car are suitable for this job. Hello, guys. The machine is broken, and the waiting line is even longer than before. Can you do this job? Here we go, guys. Thomas will fix the machine with the screwdriver and weld the crossbar. Meanwhile, Pat will calm the mass down. Good job, Thomas. The machine is fixed now. That's nice, Pat. The mass is calm now. So, little Leo, you are not allowed to cut the line. You must wait patiently. And don't ruin public facilities, okay? Okay then, let's cue again. Look at the sky, guys. The fireworks festival has begun. Wow, that is beautiful. Thank you, city heroes. You've saved the city again. Goodbye, everyone.